Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome to Cook and Share. The other night there was a game on, I had some friends over, and I decided to make these honey glazed chicken wings. Absolutely incredible. Combination of spices, honey, sweetness. I must say again, it's a healthier version because it's not fried, it's baked. Oh my goodness, they are so good. You're gonna love them, so let me walk you through it. So to kick things off here, what I've got are about 20 wings. And I'm going to add in a good pinch of salt. 2 tablespoons of oil. And this is just olive oil. You can use the oil of your choice. And of course some pepper. Now I'm going to add lots because I just love pepper. And last but not least, 2 tablespoons of baking powder. And I'm just going to go ahead and seal up the bag. Now I'm using a Ziploc bag, but you can use a bowl too if you want. Then I'm going to go ahead and give this a good massage until everything comes together. After that, I'm going to put these on a baking tray with a wire rack. You don't have to use the wire rack, it just makes them a little more crispy. And we're going to bake these at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius for about 30 minutes. Okay guys, after about 30 minutes we've got some beautiful color happening here. So I'm just going to give these a flip over. So I'm going to put these back in the oven for another, I say 20 or 30 minutes. After about 50 minutes, these wings are just gorgeous. Look at the color of them. Who would think they were baked? Okay, now we're going to transfer these into a bowl. They just look and smell so good. Now it's time to quickly make up our sauce by adding 2 tablespoons of butter to a saucepan. And we'll just let this melt down. About a teaspoon of minced garlic. A 1/4 cup of the star of the show, our honey. And to balance things out, a tablespoon of soy sauce. So I'm just going to give this a stir until everything gets mixed up. After a couple of minutes, we've got a boiling happening here, and you're good to go. Now we're going to drizzle the sauce over the chicken. And give it a shake until everything is fully coated. And I'm going to use a spoon too. Give it a toss until everything is fully coated. Plate this up in my handy dandy basket. And lastly, garnish it up with some freshly chopped parsley. Doesn't this look great? And there you have it guys, our baked honey glazed chicken wings. Absolutely delicious. Okay, let's go ahead and give these a taste test. Guys, simply to die for. I love the sweetness. There's a hint of garlic. I could eat these all day. Just simply fantastic. Gotta try them. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. Thanks for watching and thanks for subbing, and see you next time.